Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a server region in League of Legends. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I have my League of Legends client running. Okay. So what do we do here? So first up, go ahead and go to store or these stacked coins right here. Okay. At the top, just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the top right, and here we have the account settings. Okay, just click on it, and in here, as you can see, we have these regions available. Okay, if you want to transfer to EU Nordic and East, it will cost you 2,600 RP. Okay, all of the regions right here cost you 2,600 RP. All right, now you might ask, is there a way to change your region for free? Well, there is. That is via the Riot's website. Now, what are the prerequisites? Okay, well, you must live in that particular region to be able to change the region of your Riot account. Okay, for example, you are from the Philippines and you moved to Japan. Now you can go ahead and change your region to Japan, as the Riot website will scan your computer if you really lived in Japan. Okay, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.